Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chicken suya and it's going to be very interesting. Please stay tuned. You can use any kind of meat for your suya. You can use beef, that's the most common one, but I'll be using chicken for mine. So I'm going to be spicing my chicken with all-purpose seasoning. Then I'll go in with ginger garlic powder, then Suya Spice. Then I'll mix it together to incorporate the seasoning with the chicken. Then I added little oil. You can see that the seasoning and oil are well incorporated with the chicken. So we're going to be using wooden skewers. I soaked my skewers in water. This is to prevent it from burning in the air fryer. So the next thing is to arrange the chicken pieces into the skewers. Today's love goes to Oladeji Adiola. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment in the comment section if you're enjoying what I do. Thank you. Now we are done with the arrangements. So we are going to add some Suya Spice on a flat surface plate, then roll the arranged chicken in the skewers. This is to get enough pepper and ensure that the suya comes out tasty. So now I'm going to mix some Suya Spice with cooking oil. This is to brush the body of the suya, the chicken, to give it vibrant color and look all together. So I'm going to brush the chicken before roasting before air frying in the air fryer. Then after some minutes I'll bring it out, turn it over and brush the mixture with it again. Can you see the color? Our suya is gradually coming to life. So I air fry it in the oven for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to turn it around, brush it with the oil content, and take it back to stay there for like 7 minutes more. Then our suya will be ready. This is 10 minutes after, and our suya is ready. I am serving mine with some cabbage, onions, and of course some Suya Spice. You can see that it's very easy to make suya. You can make yours with beef if you want. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Comment in the comment section if you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.